Hello and welcome to Unit 2, Part 1 of our Pathophysiology practice questions. In this section, we'll be covering topics related to infection, immunity, stress, and disease. Unit 2 Part 1, let's go. How does chronic stress typically affect the immune system? A. Enhances immune function. B. Suppresses immune function. C. Has no effect on immune function. D. Causes allergic reactions. 5 seconds. Correct answer. B. Suppresses immune function. Chronic stress and the resulting release of cortisol can suppress the immune system. A man is driving when another driver almost causes an accident. His heart rate increases, and she feels an adrenaline rush. Which stage of the general adaptation syndrome is he experiencing? A. Resistance stage. B. Alarm stage. C. Exhaustion stage. D. Adaptation stage. 5 seconds. Correct answer. B. Alarm stage. The alarm stage is the initial reaction to a stressor, like the near accident, where the fight or flight response is triggered. In this stage, the sympathetic nervous system is activated. Adrenaline is released, leading to increased heart rate, heightened awareness, and other physical changes that prepare the body to either confront or flee from the stressor. During the inflammatory response, which type of phagocytic cell is most abundant? A. Monocytes. B. Eosinophils. C. Cytokines. D. Neutrophils. 5 seconds. Correct answer. D. Neutrophils. In the acute inflammatory response, the first responders are usually neutrophils. These are a type of white blood cell that engage in phagocytosis, which means they engulf and destroy pathogens, debris, and dead cells at the site of injury or infection. Neutrophils are quick to mobilize and arrive at the site of infection or injury. Why the other options are wrong? A. Monocytes are also important phagocytic cells but tend to appear later in the inflammatory process and differentiate into macrophages to continue the cleanup and healing process. B. Eosinophils are more involved in parasitic infections and allergic reactions, not the acute inflammatory response. C. Cytokines are signaling molecules, not cells, that are released by immune cells to coordinate the inflammatory response. Another question for you. Which of the following is the first line of defense against infection? A. Inflammation. B. Antibody production. C. Skin and mucous membranes. D. Activation of T cells. 5 seconds. Correct answer. C. Skin and mucous membranes. The skin and mucous membranes are physical and biochemical barriers that prevent pathogens from entering the body. Why the other options are wrong? A. Inflammation is a secondary defense mechanism. B. Antibody production is part of the adaptive immune response. D. Activation of T cells is part of the adaptive immune response. What type of immunity is developed after a person has been naturally exposed to an antigen? A. Passive innate immunity. B. Passive acquired immunity. C. Active acquired immunity. D. Active innate immunity. 5 seconds. Correct answer. C. Active acquired immunity. Thank you for reviewing with me. Don't forget to subscribe to PN Practice Questions for more.